God message for you today. My lovely child, affirm. This moment is teaching me to sit down and allow things to unfold without the certainty of knowing what's next. I am trusting in my hope for something better. I am trusting that my needs are met. I am trusting that I am not alone. I am trusting in an abundance of resources. I am trusting while waiting. I am trusting in stillness. I am learning to exist without having all the answers. Type yes to affirm and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.